Ladies and gentlemen, here's another update on this kitchen renovation. And you can see they did more painting today. And they put the wall plates on this switch. So no more exposed wiring. Same with this switch and outlet. This wall is now the same color as the rest of the walls in here. Except for this one. But other than that, it's all painted. They did more work today. They did more paint, and then next we have the floors go in, the countertops go in, the appliances go in, and we have the under cabinet lights to go in. And once that is all put in, we are going to be done with this renovation. So ready to get this kitchen back up and running again. It's going to be a brand new kitchen. I mean, you can look at the progress they done. The microwave is already up. The dishwasher has power to it, but no water. You can see what they have done. Let me tell you, I cannot wait to see the finished result. The finished result is going to be awesome. And they put in duct work for this vent. There was no vent here before. Look at this. A lot has changed. You can see a lot has changed since day one of this renovation. We're making good progress here. Let me tell you, I cannot wait until this is all set and done. Bye.